place needs a fridge. Okay, we're just bringing in a fridge for you. Okay. Hi guys, today we will be opening the Shopkins So Cool fridge. And it says it comes with 2 Season 2 shopping bags, 1 cup, 6 exclusive Shopkins, 2 exclusive Shopkins, and 1 cup. So I'm going to open this. I'm going to take this area out. I guess I'll need my trusty scissors again. If the bottom has tape, I'm going to cut it off. And where is that other piece of tape? Oh. Okay. Sorry, I don't have good ripping. I don't have good ripping, so that's why it's sort of there. Let me get my scissors out of the way. So I'm gonna reveal all this stuff. Can you help me? My dad is gonna help me take out this stuff because I'm just a kid and you don't want to. You guys, ask your parents permission to open these kind of stuff.
Give me scissors.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Redo. Oh, sorry. It's okay. And you guys remember, don't play with scissors. Hi. Here. You always display it nicely. Don't throw it everywhere, or else you might lose some pieces. And as you guys can see that's taking out, there is 2 sticker sheets that you can use to decorate your fridge. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna open these. I might need my scissors again. Okay, let me just move all this trash. I just farted. Open. Get us out of here. So technically, this is how it works. It can fit 25 Shopkins in here. Yeah. So here are the sticker sheets. I'm gonna take out these rubber bands. There we go. And you guys, don't throw trash everywhere. Don't do what we're doing. And there's our elastic band right here. Through in here. And this area where it keeps the Shopkins inside. Okay, so now we just have to take out this area where it's holding in the Shopkin. There we go. this thing. So we have 2 exclusives. I think this is strawberries and cream, and this, I'm gonna probably name her, I think I'm gonna name her Cindy Soda. And we have the eggs. Oh no. Get. Eggies. Eggies everywhere. Some of these eggs don't want to come out. Okay. I'm going to have to find a way to put the stuff in. And there is a rubber band in here. Okay, so first I'm going to put the egg area in, and there is another rubber band. You guys, don't take this out. Stop it. Okay, don't mind. It's just sorry, my sister is just watching React channel.
It's makeup.
Shh. Okay, I'm just gonna put these little eggies in. Okay, as you guys know, these are also still rubber or plastic. Feels rubberish to me. They're sort of bouncy. Okay, I put in all the eggs. I'll just close this and we'll get to decorating. So I'll put tin of tuna in here. And you guys, I'm gonna put the sticker on the next video. So you guys, I'm gonna record the rest next. Bye! Please subscribe, like, and comment.